Hi and welcome to Quick Math on Vectors. I wish to begin with the description of column vectors. It is the translation of an object with respect to its x and y direction in the form of column vector xy. Referring to the diagram on the right, where its starting point is A and its ending point is B, AB can be represented by the column vector 2, 3. Likewise, BC and CA can be represented by the column vectors 5, 7 and 7, 4 respectively. In other forms, column vectors can be represented by just a single alphabet, as in P with the column vector 6, 3 and Q with the column vector -3, 5. It is to be noted that when separate column vectors are added or subtracted, it is like the addition or subtraction being done within one column vector. As an example, when A has the column vector 2, 3, and B is equal to the column vector 5, 7, and A is being subtracted with B, the solution is like doing this subtraction within one column vector. As for multiplying a vector by a scalar, this would be like multiplying the scalar against each of the component within the column vector. As an example, when A is the column vector 2, 3, 3A is the column vector 6, 9. In the case of when C represents the column vector AB, the magnitude of C is equal to its Pythagoras of the values A and B. For example, when C is the column vector 4 and -3, the magnitude of C is 5, leveraging on the Pythagoras theorem. Unlike coordinate geometry, vector geometry does not have a fixed position. Instead, any vector with the same magnitude and direction can be associated. Starting with A being the column vector 2, 3, and B being the column vector 3, 2. C, which is also 2, 3, can be equated to A. And D, which is the column vector 4, 6, can be equated as being 2A. Finally, E with the column vector 5, 5 is equal to A plus B. To expand on the very basics that you have just acquired, do get on board the video with the title Math EQ on Vectors, which the link is provided here. That's all for Quick Math on Vectors. If you found this beneficial, do seek out our other videos under the KT tutorial channel.